Right, this is Northern Shop Eye Channel. We are here at Lucas Borito Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Royal AM not. My brother, how do you feel about the game, man?
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, you see, the first half, so it was for 50-50, and for Royal AM was playing well. So for second half, so we know that unlikely for
Experience,
Royal AM,
experience counted.
yeah, you see, and for Sundowns it was playing, but it was for 50-50. So I'm feeling for shameful for Royal AM because for Sundowns they just go for last minutes.
Exactly.
So it's very bad. Even me, I feel for bad. So I feel bad again for Shalule. So since he dropped for that matches, now it's not easy to score the goals.
Exactly.
So he didn't miss 2 to 3 goals.
Is it because of the matches?
Yes, I think maybe say I know it's
but at least the score is scored tonight.
Yeah, the score, but it's a likely score which they had. But unfortunately we for Royal AM,
and if you can check, Royal AM are going down. It might happen that maybe they might be playing in the playoffs this year.
Yes, it's very bad. So we're gonna see maybe on Tuesday, maybe gonna draw or win, but for Sundowns a big team.
What about you tomorrow against Amazulu? You think you're gonna win that?
Yes. For tomorrow, gonna win. We can go for Durban. Then we're coming back. Here we must make sure that we're gonna bring for 3 points for Hot and Soweto. So we must make sure.
So that you are in the top 8 bracket.
Yes, I'm in. So I must push maybe to be number 5 or number 6. Because I don't want to be for top 8 because for the person number 8 it's not right. It's
Eros is there.
Eros there.
Is
there. So we must make sure that we must score maybe for maximum point, maybe goals, maybe 3 or 4 goals. So we're gonna see tomorrow, but I've got sure that we're gonna win tomorrow. We're gonna collect for 3 points.
Thank you very much. All the best tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir.